You're watching the Weiss channel. Da, 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 da. Today we're going to factor trinomials, but the first number before the x squared is going to be bigger than 1. Like you see how this one, there's no number before x squared, it's just 1x squared, right? And you remember how, okay, what times what makes 12? Well, 4 times 3. But what times what makes 12 that also adds to make 7? 4 plus 3 is also 7. So that's how that works. Well, today we're going to do problems where we have a number before the x squared. That's 6 right there is before x squared. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, what times what makes 6? Well, I'm going to say 3 times 2. And what times what makes 12? We're going to say 4 times 3. I'm going to guess that that's the correct answer. Because I know I've made 6 by using 3 times 2. I know I've made 12 by 4 times 3. But did I make 17 in the middle? Well, I got to do the outer and the inner to check. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. Ding, 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 ding. I did it. Okay. So what I have to do is say what times what makes 6 and what times what makes 12. And then I have to check. And by the way, you will never have the 3x and a 3. You'll never have 2 3's in the same set of parentheses. And not only that, you won't have like a 3 and a 6 or a 3 and a 9. You'll never have multiples of the same number inside one set of parentheses, never. So that helped me know that 3 couldn't have been here and the 4 couldn't have been here. 2 and 4 you'll never find in the same set of parentheses because they're multiples of each other. Okay. Over here, 7 has to be 7 times 1, right? 6 is 2 times 3. All right, I could have tried 3 times 2. If I did 3 times 2, well, I would have found out it wouldn't have worked. But 7 times 3 is 21. 2 times 1 is 2. And 21 plus 2 is 23. So here's my answer. Ding, 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 ding. 4x squared plus 4x minus 15. What times what makes 4? 2 times 2. What times what makes negative 15? Negative 3, positive 5. Noticing that the middle is positive 4, I'm going to make the bigger number positive and the smaller number negative. Does that make sense to you? I hope so. You get positive 10x, negative 6x to make positive 4x. Ding, ding, ding. What times what makes 12? 4 times 3. What times what makes negative 6? 3 times negative 2. And note that the 3 is going to go with the 4 because the 2 won't go with the 4. The 3 won't go with the 3 because those are the same number. That just won't happen. So let's see if we're right. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. 3 times 3 is positive 9. Oh, gives me positive 1. Ding, 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 ding. That's my answer. What times what makes 4? Well, 2 times 2. What times what makes 12? I don't know. 3 times 4. So if I try 2 times 2 and 3 times 4, it's not going to work. Mostly because 2 and 4 are multiples of each other. In fact, if I tried to do 6 times 2 for 12, 2 and 6 are multiples of each other. That's no good. If I tried to do 12 and 1, 2 and 12 are multiples of each other. So it's not going to be 2x times 2x. Oh. So let's try 4 and 1. Okay. 4 times 1. And let's try negative 3 and negative 4. And the 4 is not going to be here. The 4 has to be over here. So did it work? 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Negative 3 and negative 16 is negative 19. Ding, 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 ding. Yes. Okay. So if one way doesn't work, we try another way. 6. What times what makes 6? Well, 2 times 3, but we're going to do 6 times 1. Negative 5 times negative 3 makes positive 15. Note, once again, the 3 isn't going to go here because those are multiples of each other. Okay. Negative 18, negative 5 makes negative 23. Ding, 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 ding. So now back over here, I'm going to show you another method that takes you to the right answer without guessing. The only trouble is it's longer. Okay, let's take a look. It's called slip and slide. I'm going to take this 6 and slip it over here. Multiply 6 times 12 and get 72. So now I have x squared plus 17x plus 72, and I'm going to factor that. X plus 9, x plus 8. What I do now is I take this 6 and I put it under the 9 and under the 8. And then I reduce. 3 over 2, 4 over 3. Now I'm going to slide this 2 back here and slide this 3 back here. And I've got 2x plus 3, 3x plus 4. Which was the same answer as we got here. Okay? Over here, I'm going to slip 4 times negative 15 is negative 60. I'm going to factor x plus 10, x minus 6. I'm going to put this 4 under the 10 and under the 6 and reduce. 5 over 2, 3 over 2. I'm going to slide the 2 here. I'm going to slide the 2 here. And I get 2x plus 5, 2x minus 3. If you like this method better, use it. If you like the guess and check method better, use it. You've been watching the Weiss channel.